If, like me, you've got a Panasonic heat pump or air conditioner and you've got the temperature stuck on the wrong measurement system, this here is on Fahrenheit, as you can see, 69 Fahrenheit. I don't know what that means. I need it on Celsius. Now this works if you've also got it stuck on Celsius and you want it on Fahrenheit. And it also works on newer remotes than this. This is a fairly old one, but the systems are basically the same on newer ones, so give it a try if you are stuck with this issue. Now, all you have to do to change it from F to C or C to F is this button here, bottom one, the arrow pointing down. Put your finger on that and count to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right, there we go. We are now at 20 degrees Celsius, something I understand, but if I'm stuck on Celsius and I want to get it back to Fahrenheit, all I have to do is the exact same thing. It's as simple as that. Isn't it annoying? I was stuck with that for ages, but finally worked it out. So there we go, F, back to F. So we're only on 68 degrees F now. Interesting. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope that helped.